Good girl.
Yeah, what? What's up? What's up? Sabe que foi para você?
Não tanto.
Good girl. C'est dit, vous lancez 20 years, vous les faites sous.
These fluids.
Ici.
Não tanto.
Ah, ça arrive là? Yeah, if you lancez 20 years, you salo ba la pour pour lui.
It's right. I swear it won't. It's right. Now the old past 20 years. And I'm planning.
See, watch if we try and give her this tub now, she won't eat from it. I mean, she won't. Any other dog would just lick it, but she gets scared of it. Ugh. She gets all uncomfortable. Oh, I did the blood's leaking again. And you wipe that blood, girl. Go on, yeah. Let me just wipe this. That's it, girl. Let me just wipe that off your face. Good girl, yeah. I got up this morning, went to bed about 5, and then, no, but it wasn't, about 4:30, I think it was. Got up at like 9:30, and she was just stood there waiting for me, so that's good news. So she's panting like that because the pain she's in. We've got the vet coming round. See the pain she's in? For 2 reasons she's panting like that. She's not thirsty, but I think it's either the pain she's in or she's got it collapsed. I can't remember what it's called, but we're just waiting for it to get hopefully seen by another doctor.